Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Orlando at Disney World to check out the Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Delight in the formal grace of a grand New England-style yacht club at this lakeside hotel. Relax in the inviting elegance of a plush lobby replete with nautical touches. Explore the whimsical Stormalong Bay and rent a variety of watercraft from Bayside Marina. Sharing many amenities with its pastel-toned sister, the Disney Beach Club Resort, Disney's Yacht Club Resort is walking distance to Epcot and a convenient boat ride to Disney's Hollywood Studios. So let's walk around and check out this beautiful nautical-themed resort, shall we? The Disney Yacht Club Resort has a huge outdoor water recreation area. You can discover a life-size shipwreck, pools, lagoons, and more at Stormalong Bay, a 3-acre water wonderland. Climb the mast and zip down one of the highest hotel water slides at Walt Disney World Resort, catch currents on an inner tube in a lazy river, unwind in one of 3 whirlpool spas, and relax on an elevated tanning deck. Children can wade in the main pool from a gentle slope and splash about in 2 kiddie pools, including one with a miniature water slide. Prefer a more tranquil experience? Explore 3 all-ages quiet pools, each with a whirlpool spa located throughout Disney's Yacht Club Resort. This is the Ale and Compass restaurant, where you can dine on New England comfort food and classic seafood dishes in a coastal-inspired restaurant that's reminiscent of a cozy lighthouse. They serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, and wine, beer, and spirits as well. It's a seaworthy spot that's a comfortable place to relax and refuel before and after a day of adventure. This is the Yachtsman's Steakhouse, where you can savor premium steaks, fresh seafood, and more at this New England-style steakhouse. Within the airy dining room's knotty pine beams and nautical touches, mouth-watering cuisine awaits. And just a quick note about Disney restaurants here in Disney World, they do have dress codes, believe it or not, so it's always a good idea to check the website or give the restaurant a call before you show up in your shorts and t-shirts. For example, here at the Yachtsman's Steakhouse, men must wear khaki slacks or dress shorts and collared shirts. Jeans may be worn if in good condition, and sports coats are optional. Women must wear capri pants, skirts, dresses, or dress shorts. Jeans may be worn again if they're in good condition. Not permitted are tank tops, flip tops, swimsuits, swimsuit cover-ups, hats for gentlemen, cutoffs, torn clothing, and t-shirts with offensive language and or graphics. And of course, as with all Disney parks and resorts, the theming here at the Disney Yacht Club is just incredible. Everything about this place is flawless and spotless. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, Leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. If you're enjoying this video, won't you subscribe to the New York channel and give this video a thumbs up? It really does help the channel out. Thank you. This is the market at Ale and Compass. From dining to shopping, cruise over for a variety of provisions. Once inside, you'll find breakfast favorites like Mickey waffles and bacon, tasty sandwiches and hot paninis at lunchtime, and delightful coffee and beverages to brighten your day, along with magical Disney merchandise. This is Hurricane Hannah's Waterside Bar and Grill, where you can enjoy a view of the Stormalong Bay as you're blown away by a sea of signature cocktails, draft beers, and frozen drinks like the rum-infused Piña Colada. Don't forget to regularly check out the community tab here on the New York channel to keep up to date on places like Vegas, Atlantic City, right here in Orlando, New York City, and just things going on with the channel in general. And also check out the New York merchandise store. There's a link for it in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.